Uh, Good morning. Today's topic we are going to discuss about tokens in C++. What are the tokens in C++? There are five keywords, identifiers, constants, string operators. We are going to discuss. So these are the tokens in C++. It is an keyword operators, identifiers, constants, strings, and a special symbol. First, what is the mean of the tokens? Tokens are the basic building block in C++ language. The smallest individual unit in a program are known as the token. A program is constructed using the combination of these tokens. So, without tokens, a program cannot be built. Just it is an individual small block or it can be individual units in the program. Like it can be a keywords or it can be operators or it can be a variable name. So without these variable name keyword operators, none of the program is written. So token is the main part of the program. First we are going to see about the keywords. What is an keyword? Keyword it has a sequence of characters that have fixed meaning. Keywords differs from one language to the others. C programming having the set of C keywords, C++ having set of keywords, and different programming languages have different keywords. So those keywords should be used as it is defined by the program languages. So keywords always must be written only in the lower cases. These are isn't built-in keywords. So whatever it is, have to define as it is in the program. Reserved keywords, reserved keywords, and can't be used as a name means program variables user. So these keywords should not be used as a program variable name or user defined. Suppose function function name, class name. For these user defined programs, all we should not use these keywords. Your keywords should be used only in the program as it is a fixed meaning. So these are some examples of the keywords. Integer, float character, double switch, break character, constants, continue, default. These are some of the examples of the keywords used in the C++. Next we are going to speak about the variables name. What is a variable? Variable it is then used in the program. That is, a variable is a quantity whose value may change during the program execution. In using the variable, we are using the variable we are implementing in the program execution. It is not a standard thing, and the values may be changed according to the program execution. Suppose in program we are going to enter the values, two values A and B. Those values A and B differs according to the user's input. Some may be give 4, 5. Some may be give 10, 20, and like this. The given variables values is changed according to the program execution. So variables in C++ may be of two types, numeric variables and character variables. Numeric variables means it consists of fully integer values, floating point values. These are character variables, may be alphabets, numbers 0 to 9 inserted with a single quotes. Mostly it will be the alphabet. Naming convention. How we are going to name the variable? Variable name should be contains alphabets only from A to Z or digit 0 to 9, and it should not start in the number or digit or a keyword. It is an case sensitive. Constants. What are the constants? Constants are the quantities whose values do not change during the program execution are known as the constants. That is, in the constants, while we are declaring the program starting, we are going to declare A is equal to 10 or A is equal to 20. Those values does not change until that the program put it. those values does not change in fully programming. What will be the constants? Two types of constants, numeric constants and character constants. What is the numeric constants? Numeric constants will be full in numbers. It may be integer constants and real constants. Integer means values like these numbers 10, 0, 20, and real constants will be like these numbers. Character constants. What will be the character constants? String character constants or single character constants. String character constants will be in double quotation. String constants will be indicated only in the double quotation. Single character constants will be in single quotations.